how to set video brightness to normal or bright on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, we scroll down. Then in here, tap on advanced features. Next, scroll down and then tap on video brightness. From here, select between normal and bright. For normal, you can play videos using your phone's normal screen brightness and color settings. For a bright settings, the phone will temporarily increase the screen brightness and make colors more vibrant when you watch videos. And down here in the supported apps, you can choose which app can make use of the video brightness. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.